Dude, pack opening.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to open first. Sussy baka, sussy baka, sussy kaka, sussy baka, sussy kaka.
Okay, dude, just open the pack. Byzantium.
I just opened it completely wrong.
That looked, okay, do the card trick. Wait.
I know how to do the card trick.
Something good, bro.
I did? Oh, okay.
You got a hollow or something.
Okay.
Rubbish right there. Imagine you get a V on the first one. Oh, okay.
Just like a reverse.
No, dude.
Oh, wait, that isn't the last.
Yeah,
Boom.
the
Oh, that's. Oh wait, I have a Cinderace V, and I have and now it's a hollow Cinderace.
okay,
Hey, it's okay, sort of.
dude. All the reverses are gonna be. It's always gonna be. The reverses are always gonna be before the the verses are always gonna be second to last one. I'm gonna keep the code cards. I don't know why. Okay, I'm gonna open the Pokemon Go one first. What the heck? Yes, dude, 2 good ones. Look, that's a back.
Imagine you just get
black border.
Imagine you just
1, 2, 3, 4. This one's the good one. This one's the good one. Dude, imagine I actually get like. Okay.
You're probably gonna get something. Probably.
Wait, is that the reverse? Okay. Sylveon. First one! First!
Wait, is that a V or V Max? Yeah, that's V Max, I think.
No, that's.
Oh!
Dragonite!
You gotta. Okay, let me open. Open. Oh wait, I almost just opened it backwards.
Open. Dude, I can't believe I freaking got a Wait, it wasn't a Dragonite.
It was a Dragonite V.
Yeah! On my first freaking. Dude, we've gotten good ones so far, like completely.
Oh, it's a white border.
Oh no.
I don't even care. I'm just gonna go straight to pot helmet.
Wait, is that the?
That's the rare.
That's the rare. Oh, you got a V-Star.
Oh yeah, V-Star. That's pretty good. I've never got one.
Okay. Wait, is this one?
For a second, I thought that said kink.
Okay. So.
Wait, no. I didn't do the card trick. So this, that leaf, grass type is. At least I got a V-Star.
Is there even a? There wasn't even a rare good one. Okay. So there you go. I'm gonna open another Pokemon Go because it's. Wait. Oh, you have the rest of the Pokemon Go. Okay.
Wait. Can I? Wait. What?
Dude, I know.
I'm just already gonna open it, but I'm not gonna open the cards.
Well, dude, don't.
Okay.
And you have no idea how much of these I have. Another white border. What the heck?
Now we're just getting white borders.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wait, that's 5. Wait, so what's the good one? Electrike.
Wait, where did you think was?
Dude, it evolves from Electabuzz.
I have so many freaking Electabuzzes. You have no clue.
Wait, I'm just okay. Open your
Only
pack
like
now.
2. So where did you think was Sonic? On this.
No, not that part right there of
Oh.
Gyarados.
Oh, the
I
part
didn't
of
think it was
Gyarados.
actually Sonic. I was joking around.
Oh, I was like, yeah, Gyarados is secretly Sonic.
Nope, nobody knew. Why is the pot helmet right here?
Sussy Baka?
This is your pot helmet, right?
Oh,
Okay. Wait, I'm gonna make sure. Dude, open your next pack. 1,
open my net. Oh, yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Holy crap.
11, 12, 13, 14,
Am I opening it?
15,
Oh, I almost
16,
just opened it
17,
backwards
18,
again.
19, 20, 21, 22. Okay.
Sorry that it's taking me a long time to freaking
Dude, they
open
can't.
it.
You can't see our freaking faces.
Black border!
Oh, yes! Dude, okay. Okay. Oh!
What is that?
What is it? Dude, I freaking literally got it on.
You got the exact card!
Not the exact card, but the same type of Pokemon.
Yeah,
Just
it
different-
was the same Alolan.
Dude.
I mean, it wasn't the same type of that. Oh, wait, I didn't do the card trick. That's why it's right there.
Yeah.
So, oh, that is so dope. I'm so happy. Please, please.
Can I just give you a hollow?
You can keep the rest of, even if there's like a VMAX miss, you can keep it.
Okay, let's just see. Okay, put these. Okay, Charizard. So that must mean good luck, right?
Maybe.
Right. Uh-oh.
Gets Charizard VMAX Rainbow Rare. Oh, dang it, I didn't get a Psyduck.
Yeah, I'd be mad if I didn't get a Psyduck. Especially through the. Wait. Oh crap! There's no. Crap.
Wait, show your face.
1 moment, dude. 1 moment.
This is his actual face. Wait, take off the mask. Yeah, this is his actual face. Sussy Baka. Look, Among Us drip. Under the combo. Well, I'm just gonna stick it.
Okay, 1 moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Wait.
Okay, wait.
They just set up on movies. Wait, you're covering it in the camera. They can't see it. Wait, the chair's covering it.
They couldn't even. Where? It fell.
Oh, it fell.
Another sock. Hey, dude, this is my lost sock. Dude, look, it's my lost sock.
It's literally a
A white border. Crap.
Sussy Baka.
Dude, look how much trash we have.
Because we're Sussy Baka.
1, 2, 3, 4. And then this is the rare. What even is that? Oh, it's a muck. I don't have a muck yet. I don't have a muck bang either.
Mukbang.
Okay, a Tropius. Tropius, whatever.
This one has a black border. I don't know why I already opened it, but it has a black border.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so, cool.
Dude, look how much we have already.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Dude.
I like how I'm getting these energies, but I don't even have, like, I barely even have any dark cards.
That's not a dark.
Wait, no, that's normal.
That's
Wait,
a
no.
metal.
Oh, wait, that's. I don't have any metal types because I don't really do open Pokemon cards. Wait, is that Ivysaur? Yeah, that's Ivysaur.
Hey, dude.
Bulbasaur too. There's a Bulbasaur. What do you mean that's Ivysaur?
No, there's a Bulbasaur that's in this one.
Oh.
Stack right here. Eevee, again. You got an Eevee in here. Squirtle. Oh my gosh, we're having Metal.
Wait, is that good as the Alolan?
I don't know. I think it might be actually like better or something. Okay. Okay. Dude, I am so nervous. If I get another black border.
Vistar. I don't even know what the Vistars do. I completely forgot.
Okay. Crap. Oh, please, please, please. Yes! Yes, it's a black border. One,
So
two,
Baka, we've gotten
two,
so
three,
many
four.
freaking.
All the black board. I think all the black borders that we got were. Okay. Imagine we get like a VMAX on the last couple of ones.
Remember when there used to be 11 game cards in the boosters?
There still is.
No, it's 10.
Oh! Oh!
What is that?
Oh! Flareon full art? Look here. Dude! A full art Flareon!
Oh wait, no, we can just talk about that after that.
Dude, that is crazy.
Our luck, I mean, your luck today.
Okay, open this one.
We have trash.
Like
Lots of
it.
trash.
Lots of trash. You know what? You know what the similarities are between my brother and these Pokemon card boosters are? The similarity is after there's always trash.
Yeah, he's trash.
Yeah, that's why I think Brilliant Stars is amazing.
Oh,
Dude, the Pokemon Go packs are crazy.
So I think that's Slowpoke. How did I forget? Oh yeah, Onyx. I just forgot
Wait.
his name.
That looked like a reverse for a second. I got confused.
Charmander!
I think that's good luck.
Yeah, that's good luck, definitely.
Probably for Brilliant Stars.
Bidoof.
Badoo. Badoo. Badoo.
Wait, now it's...
Oh! Full Art Trainer! A Full Art Trainer!
I really need to keep one.
Yeah, you're keeping one of the full arts.
And a V-Star? And then the last card, let's just... Oh wait, I didn't do the card trick, actually.
Oh, this one? Yeah, this one's gonna be
And a
the
Charmeleon! Oh! That was the luckiest pack ever. A full art trainer and a Charmander and a Charmeleon.
Okay, last but not least, we got the Brilliant Stars. If I do not get a black border, Brilliant Stars is sucky. I need to start getting more Pokemon Go packs. Like, that was crazy.
Wait, how do you get Pokemon Go packs without the boxes?
Dude,
Can you? White border.
okay. We can just skip to it. Okay. Well, that.
I am getting so lucky.
You guys should get Pokemon Go. Bye.